Yeah, I'm just jumping in and out of comms as and when. And it gives me ears a break from all that swearing and bad language.
What fucking swearing?
Here's
Turn
the
it
wet
on.
bit. Here's the wet bit.
What?
Oh, we
Wet
just cleaned our bikes, Nige.
I know. That's why I thought it's a stupid idea fucking coming this way, wasn't it?
You bastard.
There's
Mind
him.
that pothole.
The other night. Make sure you clean your bikes, lads.
Yeah.
If you go nice and slow, it should. Ah, pheasant. Oh, good. There's that Merc again. Look.
Wonderful, wunderbar.
Old fucking helmet.
Helmut Cole.
There we
Really? Fucking hell. He waved sorry. Fucking hell.
Yeah.
go. Welcome to Abbotsbury. Where you get carved up.
Trouble is, he was blinded by one of those fucking Chinali
I was
lights.
going to say he's got the full beam of China upon him, and he never saw us.
I like the way you said one of the lights, Nick, because the other
Yeah,
one was
I know.
pointing in the other direction, wasn't it?
That's what confused him.
I haven't seen a car in the field for ages.
Haven't you?
Now, I've got a feeling he's going to let us overtake him as an apology. Either that
reckon?
or his golf is fucking useless.
Yeah.
Have you got pursuit mode engaged, Nick?
I have. I've just enabled it.
Have you?
No, look at that. Oh, yeah, what a bastard. Look.
Not ready for bloody corner.
You're clear. Still clear.
We're fast.
I wouldn't come up too quick. There's a Hyundai i20 that is, I think they must be pushing it up the hill.
Yeah.
I see they're repairing this bit that they repaired it, didn't they? And it's sunk again.
Oh, that's what it's sunk. Yeah.
So they're repairing it again now because it's sunk worse than when it was before they repaired it. So the repair wasn't even as good as the sunken bit before it.
About right, innit?
100 ton of concrete in there, that'll sort it out.
It needs shoring up with concrete, I reckon.
I was
Look at
thinking,
it.
you look back to when the Romans built roads, they went down about fucking 4 to 6 foot, didn't they? Built
Well,
it right
Look
up.
at it there.
It's broken
Well,
right up.
We're not sure on that. Because the one example that they use, which was from a section of road up in Radstock,
Here
Yeah.
goes Professor Julius.
yeah, obviously showed a good, feet and feet of layers and layers.
Yeah.
But they don't find that archaeology when they dig other places. So it's quite possible that that is just simply hundreds of years worth of repair work where they just build on top of it.
All right. I suppose it depends on the ground, doesn't it? Yeah, the softer the ground,
does, yeah.
the bigger the footing. But
Yeah, exactly.
when you think most of them are still surviving now, they must
Oh,
have
I
done
know.
something right, packing it down with their wooden blocks.
Yeah.
As you can see, viewers, I stay out of this serious conversation. I can't be going with all that bollocks.
See, they had it right. Big
Yeah,
rock,
but people
small
are going to
rock,
think
sand.
people are going to think they've tuned into the wrong fucking channel.
The fucking time team.
Yeah,
I'm sure every 30 seconds you'll remind them.
they come on here for a bit of filth and vulgarity. A bit of relief from the PC world that's upon us.
To be
Yeah.
fair, the Romans were good at filthy worlds.
They were.
They used to get up some weird shit, didn't they?
I'll tell you what, if you were in a Centurion, you'd have been beaten to death by now.
and buggered to death.
Yeah.
Because they used that in Broadchurch.
Oh, did they?
Oh, did they?
I haven't watched that.
You not watched it?
No.
That's a good series. I didn't watch it till about 3 years after it was made.
Yeah, but you know what my concentration span's like.
It was good because listening to them putting on the accents. Yeah! Wah!
Oh, no. Pathetic.
But then it's no different to us trying to do a Scottish accent or a Welsh or those Brummie accents. I'm considerably richer than yow.
Yeah, good old Harry.
You've been in there for some nosh, it's good. Egg cup tea rooms, do a nice ploughman's in there.
Do they?
They do. I got thrown out of there. I mean, why advertise it as a petting zoo? and then you get thrown out.
What were you petting?
But I thought, yeah, but
the waitress.
I just don't want to imagine what he was up to.
No.
I mean, you've got to do something really wrong to be chucked out of a petting zoo, haven't you?
well, yeah.
He's not going to answer, is he?
Apparently fisting a sheep is not what they had in mind.
I trust you put a pair of pink gunties on it first.
And wellies.
You got overexcited because the sheep's name was Bonnie, didn't you? Thought it was fair game.
Oh, they got the high vis, they're trimming their bush.
Yes.
Look at this, look. This Land Rover in front of me, look.
Yeah.
Christ knows what that cost new. And all the paint and lacquers coming off that spare wheel cover.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, so it is.
Scuffed the fuck, look. And all the lacquers peeling on it.
Oh, you might actually use it, though.
Nah,
Probably
don't be
uses it
stupid.
instead of the parking sensor. Reverses it up to the wall.
I bet the only time that's been off-road is when she dropped the kids off at school and bumps up the curb.
Yeah.
Just up here, as we go around the bend to the right, you'll see a grass bank on the left, which is quite steep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There, look. So, we came to an accident here years ago. Just there he went. He came up here, and for whatever reason, he went up that bank.
Nice.
And he was like that, and of course it rolled over. I mean, he was shifting. I think what he did, came flying up here and had to swerve in at the last minute.
Yeah.
So of course lost control of it, and he went up the bank, and it obviously went over on its roof, came down on the road, and it skidded for fucking ever on its roof. And apparently
Nice.
all the witnesses were saying everybody was swerving to miss this car coming at them. I mean, you imagine you come up the road and all of a sudden there's a car on its roof fucking sliding towards you. You fucking shat yourself, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
But you imagine being the people in that car, upside down, sliding
Oh,
all
no.
this fucking fast moving traffic.
Yeah, not fun at all.
God.
And you imagine the noise in there of that
Oh,
tin
God,
scraping
yeah.
down the road.
Yeah.
Bloody expensive sledge, isn't it?
It did hit a car, but apparently
Did
when
it?
it was almost finished sliding, and the car that it hit, he managed to slow right down before he hit it, so. But yeah, they must have been crapping themselves.
Yeah.
Still, the good news is he actually found the locking wheel nut fucking key that he was looking for.
You remember years ago, the old posties, they all wore like regulation trousers and shirts, didn't they? And
Yeah.
now they're in their fucking hobnail boots and fucking shorts.
Yeah.
And
Scruffy bastards.
there was one female postie round our way. She's always got this thong halfway up her back.
Is she?
I wouldn't mind, but she's 32 stone and about fucking
Oh.
72 years old.
Oh, that changes things slightly. I bet you're still like a fucking dog in the window, though, aren't you?
It's a killer coming up this hill, isn't it?
Ugh.
It is at this fucking speed. I say, ding dong to the left.
I know. Did I see tights?
You
Tights
did.
at 100 yards.
Up yonder driveway. Look. Ah, ding dong.
Fuck.
Gone by the time I got there. 30 bloody mile an hour.
Yeah, look. Oh, this one ain't live yet. Look.
Fucking hell.
Well, they soon slowed down when they saw it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did.
Now it's 50.
Yeah, till we get up Mountain Lake. I really think we ought to pop into BMW Virtue.
Well, I think we ought to just have a look.
Just have a look.
Definitely.
I would be really interested to see what they offer on this.
How about if we all turn up on a Lex motor and see what they'll offer for all three?
Yeah.
Watch this twat on the right.
Yeah.
He, it's not his truck, so he won't give a shit.
No.
We're on.
Splendid.
So glad we're on, because these nice bends are coming up.
Yeah. And at the moment, nothing in front of us.
Wow. Lovely.
Static van's on the right, Steve.
Yes!
Calm yourself, calm yourself.
Ah, too expensive down here for me.
He'll be rubbing his testicles as we speak.
Yeah.
The old cannon.
Yeah, I wonder how many years that cannon's been there then.
Oh, car on the right.
Yeah,
yeah.
I've seen him.
It
Relatively
is like
quiet,
a
isn't
fucking
it?
early warning system. Ding dong. There's a twat can't do hill start. Oh my life, come on! He's boiling, he's starting to fizz.
Yeah. What the fuck is he doing?
God knows.
15 mile an hour.